she's just trying on the backpack. Hi! It's really cute. Look, there we're gonna try some coffee and I just noticed. Hi! I like this bag. What is this? I need some information. Just told Hannah I could actually fall in love with that one. Look at these. Wow. We just finished our little workshop because we all do have the same luxury disease. Welcome back to my channel. So it's our last day.
Yes.
The weather makes it easier for us to say goodbye, and this is the situation that we're dealing with. And there's this shopping center here, Brookfield place. It seems like they have Gucci, LV. I think on Google Maps I saw they have a Louis Vuitton here as well. Anything interesting? I don't think so. This is all classic Gucci canvas, some Ferragamo bags, and guys, I have never seen this one before. It's gorgeous. I have never seen these either. Stunning hug clutches and like crocodile. This is super cool as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're back in London. If you haven't seen all my New York vlogs yet, go and check them out. And yeah, today we're going to meet Hannah and we're finally gonna have a look at the new Louis Vuitton Murakami collection. I haven't seen a single piece yet, so that's gonna be exciting. I have to be honest, it's not really for me, but I mean, you never know, right? Maybe we find something, I'm gonna fall in love, so it's always exciting. By the way, it is so ice cold and windy. There's a storm hitting the UK tonight. So yeah, I think we can feel that already. Also guys, I am still selling my bags. There's still 3 bags available, so if you want one of them, message me and we see how we sort it out. And also the biggest thank you to everyone who's already become a member. It honestly means the world to me, your support, so thank you. And guys, here we are, Louis Vuitton Murakami. There's no queue, maybe we're lucky. And guess who I just spotted? There's lots to look at. Look who I just spotted! Okay guys, Hannah is already at work. I just told her I need to get back into filming. I haven't filmed in a while, since New York basically. Look at this gorgeous backpack. Wow, absolutely lovely. Ooh, and here we have the little panda, super cute. Guys, if you got anything from this collection, let me know what you got. I would be super interested, of course, to hear your stories. Was it difficult to get a piece from this collection? And yeah, so this is one of the newer bags. It's quite nice. I wonder if they have a Nano Speedy still. I would love to try that one on and see it in person. And of course, every piece is different from the next one. Yeah, guys, so this is a twist. This is a bit more understated, not so much, you know, boom, like the other multicolor pieces. Beautiful scarf. We got some shoes as well, of course, and the black. Oops. That was me. So this is the black multicolor and it's got silver hardware, very interesting. Okay guys, and they're doing restoration work here as well. So if you want to bring your old multicolor piece in, you can basically, and they're touching it up. Oh, look at this gorgeous cherry pochette accessoire, and that's super cool. Oh my god. Guys, we're in for a treat. Look at this room and those incredible pieces. So, wow, this is a gorgeous, huge travel bag. It's like a mixture between a handbag and a trunk, I think. I can only imagine how much it weighs. This is an original Speedy from the 2003 Murakami collection. Super interesting. Look at this flower. I love the display. Wow, black multicolor. Stunning. Let's see what Hannah found there. Oh wow, you know you can get me with leopard. Look at this, guys. What a dream piece. A little bit of history, Murakami history. Oh, and the cherry blossoms. I think they're actually my favorites. When it comes to multicolored cherries and cherry blossoms, I think I prefer the cherry blossoms collection. Yes, it could definitely. Maybe we can actually put our phone somewhere as well. A little thumbnail. So tell me, what's your favorite?
I think when it originally came out, it was the cherry blossom.
Same for me.
Same for me. Yeah.
But guys, by the way, if you haven't seen her unboxing yet, go check out Hannah's channel. I'm gonna link it here again because I loved it.
Yeah, no, I did too. I mean, it was just a little piece, but it just feels really.
And I think not special. I think you got something really special because most people go for the other color. I'm not gonna reveal too much.
But it would be nice to get one of these old pieces as well in a good condition.
I saw so many in New York.
Oh, did you? Because I don't know if I've seen many kind of good.
Not here, not in London.
Here.
No. Okay guys, so behind me there's the claw machine. I heard you can actually win a Tamagotchi. That would be so cool. First, let's look at these black multicolor pieces though. You got some sandals as well. And look, oh, that's, yeah, we need that for our fur babies. The dream, guys. Look at this luggage case and look at this little pet carrier bag. Oh wow. Look at this panda. So cute. And that's the claw machine. So I heard that there's a Tamagotchi and it's super rare to get that one though. And other than that you just get stickers and maybe little metal pins.
Those little metal cards are
that's a good, maybe a magnet for the fridge. I think this one here is a magnet as well. I don't see any Tamagotchi. I want a Tamagotchi. What I'm most excited about, to be honest, is this little figurine. This is art. Would love to have that one in the house. And the staircase should lead to the cafe. I thought you can just use a pound, but you need a special coin. So you got this when you bought your item, right?
Yes.
And this is what you put into the claw machine, basically. But I also told her, don't do it.
Yeah, no, I don't think I will.
Imagine you're gonna get stickers and you risk losing
and
your
I think
coin.
this is really pretty. I saw somebody on Instagram that put it on a chain.
Oh, that's a good idea. Make a necklace out of it.
Yeah, like a long necklace or a back charm.
Yeah, definitely. Keep it, Hannah. Okay, guys, so look at these two gorgeous pieces. I said we have to try them on if we have the opportunity. We're probably not going to find them in store again.
Exactly.
So this is a new design, more of like an east-west design, and I love the backpack.
It's very cute.
It's so incredibly cute, and the hardware, I really like
the hardware is lovely.
Yeah, this is like a mixture between a handbag and a trunk as well, right? Because you got like all these bits there, and it comes with a strap. Yeah, the backpack obviously does as well. Yeah, I love that every bag is individual because like the placement of the colors is different, so pretty. And guys, look at this. This is Hannah's beautiful Fendi bag, and she's just trying on the backpack. Hi! It's really cute, Hannah. I love it. And you know what? It has a really nice size.
It does. It's not too big, is it?
You could actually use it for like hiking and stuff. Okay, guys, so look at this. I like it. I would have not thought so, but it's cute. Pops against the dark outfit, of course. And guys, look at this big space for the cafe up here. Wow. And I love the colors, let's be honest. I think we're gonna stop for a little coffee. And guys, look, there we're gonna try some coffee, and I just noticed. Hi. Oh, hi, little friend. Who are you? You're so cute. Oh, Hannah, this is the perfect spot. I love all the cushions. So cute. We got our cake, we got our coffees. Oh, look at this. Like, are we gonna carry this around with us all day?
I think we need a little.
Yes, because I can't throw this away. Okay, I would say cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
and to the cake box.
Okay, guys, we're just on our way to Selfridges, and we're walking past LV on Bond Street, and they got Murakami pieces on display as well. Oh, look at this. Classic Speedy, super nice. And look at this, the flower hat. That's cool. I wonder if they have the onion head as well. Look at this multicolor coussin bag. Okay guys, we're just on our way to Selfridges because what are we doing later?
We're doing a workshop at Fendi.
Super cool. We're just walking past Chanel and they have really nice window displays. Look at this, guys. Honestly, I love it. Like, I haven't seen such nice window displays in a while. Yeah. Oh guys, look at this little cat. Cute. And that's a nice camellia flower. Okay, you know what? I like this bag. What is this? I need some information on this. Oh my god, this is a Chanel bag I could fall in love with. Just told Hannah I could actually fall in love with that one. You know, the little pearl.
Yeah, with a pearl handle, it's gorgeous.
So nice. Just checking the price of that gorgeous Chanel bags with the pearls. Look at these. Wow. Guys, I just had to try it on quickly. It's 5,000. It's lambskin. Oh my god, I love it. Wow, what do we think about this? Look at the gorgeous handle. It's quite heavy, it's quite substantial. And a little bit of Gucci, guys. And look at these stunning pieces. I was like, we haven't seen these before. Have to show you these gorgeous bags. Ooh. I like suede. I always like suede bags. But look at this gorgeous cardigan. Stunning. Stunning. I really like this cardigan, Hanno. That's nice.
Yeah,
nice colors.
That's really lovely, actually.
Guys, look at this. The size of this bag. Who has the strength? Okay, guys, I had to try this on, and it is. We just took the stuffing out, but it's still super heavy. You could wear it on your shoulder as well. It comes with another strap. It's cool. It's a super sized blondie bag. I think you can only wear it as a travel bag. They call it Jumbo Blondie, I think. Yeah, yeah. It's even it looks even bigger in reality than on my little camera here right now, but it's heavy. And guys, what Gucci isn't giving us anymore, we can find at Valentino now, of course, because Alessandro Michele moved to Valentino, and you can really see it. You can see it in the clothes, you can see it in the bags. Just look at this. Quick stop at Fendi before we do our Chinese New Year Fendi not workshop. Okay guys, I thought, you know, if we're getting a coffee here anyway and Hannah knows the team, why not try on this gorgeous ombre? Like, look at the shimmering of the sequins. So nice. But look at this. Guys, I've stopped several times for this Chloe bag. And Hannah just spotted the horse pieces as well. So 5 different ways.
5 different ways to wear it. So
5 different ways?
Yeah.
So with the ring, without
So
the ring. We got a strap.
Yeah,
Okay.
Christmas or crossbody.
Yeah.
And then also you can incorporate the ring like that.
Yeah.
Get more length. And then so over the body.
Okay guys, let's have a quick look at Selfridges. Some more saddle bags. What about some vintage Fendi?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind, actually.
Yeah. Love the little charm there. Super nice. Look at these colors. My bag would look good there. This is a find. Look at this Dior East West, some Gucci, some Chanel. They really adjusted their prices. I have to say nowadays it's a lot more fair than when Selfridges was first established. So, yeah, lovely. Here we have some of the new Chloe bags, and this is the bag I meant. This is really Y2K, right? But then you have this really nice little horse back charm there. And guys, these are the colors this bag comes in that we just saw upstairs. She was so kind to show us all the different ways you can wear it. Okay guys, I think it's gonna be super exciting. I already got a sneak peek there in terms of what we're making. I show you later. But yeah, I haven't shown you my dress yet, so I thought this is the opportunity. It's just a long lace dress. To be honest, it's a little bit too long. I'm almost falling. And I love this teeny tiny one there with all the crystals. Gorgeous. Okay, this is my favorite bag. It's very neutral color, velvet, lots of crystals. These are the Lunar New Year pieces, I think. The classic Fendi monster eyes, just as a snake. Yeah. I know, we're being spoiled. Guys, look at this. I wasn't expecting this. Which one do you pick first? So nice. I think I'm gonna go for the chocolatey one.
I think raspberry.
Cheers.
Ching.
Haven't tried making Chinese not before.
Oh wow.
So that's what we're making.
Yes.
Okay.
And you're okay with us taking like little videos?
That's fine.
You're okay with that?
Guys,
Yeah.
look at that. Super nice. And I think it has the Fendi eyes on one side. Okay, this is for good luck, guys. And Hannah as well. Nice.
Little masterpiece.
Yeah. And this is mine so far. Show me yours, Hannah. Nice. And mine, guys. Okay, guys, we just finished our little workshop. Come a little bit closer, Hannah. Let's see it. Oh, you have the eyes on the front. Mine are.
You've got eyes.
Mine are on the red bit, though.
Okay, well, you still have eyes.
Yeah, I have eyes. No, it's so nice, right?
Yeah, it's super cute.
And show me next to each other. So cool, guys. And there's our little knots. Wait, can we see that? Show me yours. Nice. Okay, guys, that was Selfridges. While there's still a little bit of light,
Yes.
let's do our outro. I think we need some food now. I haven't had anything yet. and-
Hungry.
yeah, you're hungry as well.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, so super surprised.
Yeah.
It was really lovely.
It
The
really
team
was.
is always
Yeah,
so nice
fantastic.
there.
Fantastic.
If you need anything from Fendi, go to Selfridges.
Absolutely.
Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same
Luxury
disease. And we see you soon, guys. Bye. And we ordered a lot.
It's more than I thought.
Bon appetit.